Hey y'all, I'm back with another beauty related video. Before we get started with the makeup, please be sure to moisturize your face. I'm going to be using two different moisturizers today. One is the Pond's Dry Skin Cream and the other is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Moisturizer. I like to mix these two because I find that the Pond's works really well, but it doesn't have SPF in it and the Kiehl's does. So I'm just going to be mixing these two today. And I know that it looks like I'm putting on a lot of moisturizer. It's because I am. I always find that my makeup actually applies better whenever my skin is really moisturized. So I really don't mind it. And whatever's left over, whatever excess I have, I just put it on my neck. So it all kind of works. Now I'm just going to shape up my eyebrows real quick. I did get my eyebrows done about a month ago, but to kind of stretch out my appointments, I like to just use this little tool to kind of shape it up a little bit. Now moving on to concealer. So I love to use this Makeup Forever concealer. I'll have all the products that I'm using down below, by the way, but I mainly just like to focus this underneath my eyes because I have really bad dark circles and I just like to cover those up. Okay, and after that's all blended, I like to go in with this Makeup Forever powder. It's the Matte Velvet Skin. It's actually in the shade Y425, as y'all can see. I like to just focus my powder in the same areas that I put my concealer, which is normally just under my eyes. Now we're going to move on to mascara. I'm just going to be using this Merit Beauty mascara on my lower lashes because my top lashes are already done. I've actually just been kind of obsessed with this DIY lash extension kit that I get from just the drugstore. Normally these lashes last me like a week and a half to 2 weeks and I have no problems. Now I'm going to be moving on to the blush. This blush is by Maybelline Fit Me, and I will have the exact blush link down below. Now moving on to the lips. So I'm going to be lining my lips with this Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit lipstick, and it's in the shade Goth Topic. And then to fill my lips in, I love to use these NYX Soft Matte Lip Creams. I have two shades that I'm going to share with y'all today. One is Transylvania, which is this deep purple. And the other shade is a little bit lighter. It's in the shade Copenhagen. This is also just another option just in case you don't want a really deep, dark plum color, but you just want a cute little fall spicy type of red. These are the main two lipsticks that I like to rock this time of year, so I just thought that I'd share with y'all the other one that I'm not going to be using today. And that's it for the makeup. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't mind my little baby lock right there. I don't know what it's doing. It's just doing whatever. But yeah, this is the end result. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you like the makeup videos. I'm kind of stepping outside my comfort zone a little bit, doing makeup or whatever. I never really do it. But thank y'all so much for watching. I'll talk to y'all in my next one, and I'm out.
If you're doing what everyone else is doing, you're doing it wrong.
One of the best to ever do it.